Good evening, Younger Oldie here, and welcome to my channel. Well, tonight we're having a ride over to Hinckley. There's a new bike night started tonight, and it's nonetheless at the actual Triumph factory. So they're keeping the museum open, and hopefully there'll be some refreshments. So I thought, let's check it out. You know, there's a few of the club going, and hopefully I might see some of my instructor colleagues over here. It will be interesting to see how busy it is, because being it's the first one, I thought it might attract quite a few people. But then it has been a wet day today. I mean, it's forecast to be dry from now, but you know, still very overcast. But well, we've got to try it out. You never know, some of these things can turn out better than expected. I would imagine when the summer's nicely under the way and we've got lovely, you know, late sunny nights till 10 o'clock, you know, I'd imagine it might get quite busy. But Ian's coming over and Matt booked Mickey, so they said, are you going to pop over? So yeah, I thought, why not, let's give it a go. Also it'd be interesting to see riding back in the dark. I've never ridden this bike yet in the dark, so I don't quite know how the lights are going to be. I'm sure they will be fine. A bit less traffic than I thought, actually. I was expecting more traffic than this, so I suppose I'm going to be unfashionably early. Here we go, motorcycle factory. So here we are at the home of Triumph. I bet he's on a Triumph. Yeah. Apparently one of my colleagues from the teaching, he works there, and he has a brand new bike every year, and he says basically he can't afford not to. They give him the price, you know, which is so good, he has to keep it for a year, then he can sell it. But he says even after a year he can actually sell the bike for more than he paid for it. So basically he has brand new bikes for nothing. I hope have we got anybody here yet? Are we too early or what?
Are you alright?
Yeah, mate, yep.
Yeah, you know where you're going?
Is it near the car park, near the cafe?
Exactly it, mate. Just follow that round and it'll...
Yep, sound lovely. Cheers.
Right.
Well, there's a few here. Are we having different parking? Looks like it.
Anywhere in there, mate.
I was told it was going to be Triumph parking and non-Triumph parking. Hey, I bet it's politically incorrect to come on a non-Triumph.
Yeah, well, I'm on the way from work, you know.
I've tried shopping you out the picture and you still show up.
Yeah.
But everybody looks like they're in the sunshine with a sunshine face.
Yeah. I don't know what to do now, actually. What?
He's a working man, you can't go.
Yeah, working man, you see.
Not that. I'll tell you what, they were in first
That can be, yeah.
It might be a little bit dark in here, but here it goes. Here's the speed triple, which was used in Mission Impossible, complete with bullet holes in the rear seat. Very famous bike from the Great Escape. apparently my dad had one of these when he was a young lad, and he tells me he's not into bikes. By the time I grew up and got rid of mine. Starting to fill up a little bit now. I mean, at the end of the day, it's good for Triumph to put these events on. I mean, I know it's good for their business, but it's nice to see it well supported, and it's somewhere to go for an evening out and a ride on your bike. Well, time to go home now, but I must admit, what a really nice evening. Very much enjoyed it. It's a good turnout. It was nice to see some mates and some fellow instructors. In fact, the senior instructor, he dropped by with 2 trainees because he was on a DAS lesson. It was also nice to meet again Mr. Bandit Man UK. He was there with his lady wife. I must admit, I think he's one of the best bike content creators on the tube. A man to aspire to. I believe these meetings are taking place monthly on a Wednesday night, so if you get the chance, it's a worthwhile visit to pop over. Myself and some other instructors are back up here in June, bringing up some of our 125s. It's basically so that employees of Triumph who have never ridden a bike before, or they can have a trial go. We're going to use their car park and just basically show them some basics, get them moving, and they can then decide if they want to learn to ride and take it further. Well, that's all from me for now, so I thank you for watching. If you like it, please tick. Always subscribe, it's nice for the channel, and all that's left me to say is once again is bye for now.